always a great pleasure to welcome you here on this Sigma event, photokina 2018. Today is the day we have been working toward for many months. Actually, we have started 2017, end of 2017, with the first preparation to collect the first ideas. And so I think it's a good opportunity to say thank you to everybody to make this possible, especially the Sigma marketing team from the Sigma Corporation and the service team supporting Sigma Germany, and of course this marketing division Sigma Germany from us. Thank you very much for your kind support. Thank you. Seldom before photokina we had so many discussions about the future of the photography, the next product generation, and of course about the future of photokina. However, still there is no other event that brings so many, the trade, the industry, photo specialists and photo enthusiasts together. Maybe you remember the first photokina took place 2015. The first time it was a national event, but the very interesting thing is that it was in May. So actually after 68 years, next year we are going back to the roots. Actually going back to the roots sounds not that bad, but we will see. So. But we are here not to talk about the photokina, we are basically here to talk about Sigma and the next product generation and the next products we will see very soon in the market. And at Sigma we have one special person who is responsible for the visions for the next product generations, and that is our CEO. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kazuto Yamaki. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming to our event tonight. And I really appreciate you take your time to come to our event despite of the very busy photokina. So taking this opportunity, I'm going to introduce our new products for photokina. However, I think I need to mention about it. Maybe some of you already know that Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma announced a strategic alliance today. And Sigma will not announce any new product on Elman platform, but at the end of my presentation, I will share with you about our plan for the Elman system in the future. It will be at the end of my presentation. So, I'd like to introduce you our exciting, innovative new products. Here it is. Have you ever tried it? If not, please enjoy it. Actually, I want to tell you that today's my presentation is actually rather long. Actually, I hate to say, but very long. So, if you like English style warm beer, you can stay with it. But if you like normal cold beer, please feel to walk around and grab beer, cold beer over there. And during my presentation, foods are frying, so please make yourself comfortable. This is a Sigma event, so it's very casual. Everything at Sigma is casual, so please make yourself comfortable. I will do so in a very relaxed manner. So let me, yes. Before I introduce our new product for this photokina, I'd like to update you regarding our factory in Aizu, Tokyo. We have just finished, not just, but we have finished the construction of the new magnesium factory. Before we have this factory, we relied on the external supplier. But unfortunately, these magnesium parts are quite costly because only few suppliers can supply the high quality magnesium parts that could satisfy us. So in order to solve this problem, we decided to do it by ourselves. This is a map of our factory in Aizu, and this building in black is our main factory in Aizu. And this is a location of the new magnesium factory. As you know, magnesium is a quite dangerous material. Magnesium reacts to the air or moisture in the air and easily catch fire. It sometimes can burst into the flame. So in order to avoid the worst case, we built this new magnesium factory away from the main factory. Actually, this is true. Not because of these special characteristics of magnesium, not so many manufacturers want to have their own magnesium factory. Normally, they rely on the external supplier who are specialized in machining the magnesium. So probably, as far as I know, no camera manufacturers have magnesium factory with them. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's very rare case to have its own magnesium factory.